What's up, guys? We are live here at the Jeep Lab. Just touching base with you guys. It is April 21st and I haven't been on YouTube in a while, and just wanted to give you guys some updates on what's going on around the shop. We are looking to hit this YouTube a little bit harder going forward. I got a meeting tomorrow with some people to help me basically do some editing and stuff. I know it's not that hard to do, but I just don't feel like buying another computer to download all the software. And so anyways, we're gonna try to give this YouTube thing a little bit more go. But shop, all the COVID-19 stuff's obviously going on. We are still busy, we are still booked up here. Just in general, things have kind of changed more from the customization, lifting, all that stuff, over to more of like a maintenance type of work. So still thankful for all the help, love and support that everybody's been giving us. So you know, keep bringing the Jeeps by. We're more than happy to work on them. We are currently only working by appointment though, so please don't just stop by. Give us a call, we'll set an appointment, and then we're doing drop-offs and pickup, not really having anybody hang out around the shop. So that's what we're doing in our part to keep contact down between people. But other than that, Team Rig Ragnar is doing pretty well. Our orange JKU, not much really to update you on that one. Tank the TJ got a new computer. It is running, it is kind of hanging out. We have talked about the LJ buggy build. That has just been collecting dust. We are putting together some parts right now over in the shop for that, and we were planning on getting that going, but I've just been so busy, haven't had time. But that is still a go. The plan was to have it done by King of the Hammers. You'll see in some upcoming videos and even a documentary series we're gonna start working on for a build other than the buggy. We've got something up our sleeve. We are headed out of town in a couple weeks to go get a new rig. So just a little teaser there. Not gonna say too much about it other than it's old. So not a brand new Jeep, not a Gladiator, not a JLU, JLUR, JL. It's old, and it's gonna be an awesome build. We are looking for some companies to partner up with us on this build, and it's going to be something that will be on the trails a lot and at a lot of different events. So that's my teaser for that part. Update on the plasma table. We are still waiting on that table from Wright CNC. We have been talking to them recently. Last I think we talked, I had a 4x4 table. They started giving out some free goodies with new purchase. I figured since I had been waiting so long, remember we bought this thing at SEMA, they worked out a thing and we actually have a bigger table, so we're getting a 4x8 table now. We are looking to expand the shop. We're gonna open up all 4 bays and connect them. Yes, 4 bays, connect them, and then we're gonna move all the fabrication stuff down a couple, so it'll be in its own little room by itself, safety. That way the plasma cutter is gonna be cutting, grinding over there. Tube bender will be over there. Our other plasma cutters and welders will all be in that shop, but we'll keep all that stuff kind of separate. So shop's growing, staying busy. Got a new project coming up in the works. So other than that, hope everybody is doing well and staying safe with this COVID-19 stuff. We'll talk to you later.